But in the past, we need to learn copywriting to do that. Right now, we just need to train AI by giving the right context, following the right flow to write all of this. Front-end product, we are going to write this. Order bound, we're going to write this. Upsell copy, we're also going to write this. To write this, you need to prepare this. To include for this prompt for the front-end product sales copy, you need to have the customer profile, which you already have. You need to have your customer journey map, which you already have. You need to have your offer summary, which you already have. Writing style, you do not have writing style. I'll get back to this. Funnel thinking, you have already done this as well. Pricing, you have also done this as well. So this can be a day's job instead of a month's job. But anyone without copywriting skill can do this. So writing style. I have a separate training just to teach on how to create your writing style. Basically, there are 3 ways to go around with that. I can give you the elaborated training if you need that. 1, you give it your material for it to learn. I think that would be the easiest way that you give it material to learn. Now, but what if you don't have material for it to learn? Then you can just use my custom GPT to help you with that. So, I will shoot you the link later on. But basically, if you go to ChatGPT, okay, you will have this personal writing style GPT. Okay, so you just click this, and then it will ask you a few key questions, follow the prompt, and now you have your writing style. And then you give to AI again. So now let's look at the way how we deal with the prompts, okay? If you have our software, then it will write the way how I would train an AI to write a sales copy, which is going to be very different. Because I'm writing the sales letter based on my experience and also following formulas of sales letter that has been written by one of the best copywriters in the world. So we model that. So basically we model that formula and basically say, hey, this is my formula, and we sort of merge that together. So if you don't use this, if you use ChatGPT, then it will model the standard sales letter anatomy, headline, sub-headline, storytelling, all of those, which is perfectly all right. This will give you the kind of sales letter that I would use for selling my own stuff. So you just go to AI sales letter. And for AI sales letter, I would suggest you to use you will use Anthropic to do this job. So here we have all the Anthropic model. So instead of ChatGPT, you use Cloud. Anthropic is Cloud. Cloud is Anthropic. How do you differentiate Anthropic and Cloud? Anthropic is like OpenAI. Cloud will be ChatGPT. Right? Okay. All right. So you get what I mean. All right. So let's say we use Anthropic. So we're going to write the sales letter, but the way how we're going to write this sales letter, we're not going to simply go inside there and start typing. We will go to the prompts that I've created for you in advance. You're going to copy all this prompt here. You will paste it here. Now, why we do this? Because we train our AI to write sales letter for one specific model. But what we're trying to do is another specific model. So we need to tell this specific model how we want it for this one right now. So that's why there's prompt on the prompt, right? Because you need to instruct it to say that Okay, I want all of these points here, and then I also want you to refer back to all of the files that are uploading here. So here, you'll be able to upload the files. These are the files that you upload for this: customer profile, customer journey map, offer summary, writing style, final thinking, and pricing. It seems like a lot, but honestly, this is just copy and paste job. So this is why I warned you in advance. It can be a very boring process, right? But it makes money. You have all of this added here. All this blank space, you just change accordingly. What is your offer name, which is your product name, what it is about, what it helps to achieve, and most of the time, even if you do not have the answer, you don't need to use your brain, because in the past prompts that you created, it would have already covered all of this for you. So you can just copy that paragraph and paste it here. Now, once you do this, it will start to write the sales page. Now, I don't have an exact list of all of this, therefore I will not proceed right now. But just for purpose of demonstration, I am just going to make things up and simply write without any supported document. Using the context of my business, customer profile, and customer journey, which I don't have. But you understand where I'm coming from? When you do this, you're supposed to include all of this. But for my demonstration here, I don't have, because we didn't do that, right? But we gotta have this. Write a clear, simple converting sales page for my front-end offer. So offer name, let's say I call this Operation 0 Employees Book, let's say. What it is, how to build a 7-figure digital business while working 2 hours a day. Okay, let's say that's the case. What it helps to achieve: building a digital business that can provide, that can give freedom, let's say. All done. These are just all the prompts. There are no additional parameters that I need to add. All good. Then I'll just click go. If I click go here right now, it cannot write the sales page. Why? Because there's no context. So far with me? But if I do it anyway, the AI has been trained to ask me for all the information it needs in order for it to write the sales copy anyway. Because Automation Card AI app, the AI sales letter writer module is a standalone module to help you write sales letter for whatever product that you want to write in the future. It is just that I'm using this module specifically for today's topic and today's training. Everybody gets me, yes? Okay, so now it will start doing its work. Okay, so we have this. Then the next one is called the order bump copy. The order bump copy, you need to include your sales page and use Automation Card AI app, which means that once this is done, you will have the sales page, right? So you're gonna copy all this sales page. Okay, so under the chat, you will see order bump writer. Okay, yeah, it's here. Order bump copywriter. So now you can see the AI sales letter writer, because we did not fit in the context that we need, it will automatically ask me more relevant questions. I need to ask you a few questions to write a copy that converts, because this is like a junior sales letter copywriter built-in. You with me? If it doesn't have enough information, it will not write. But if you give the ChatGPT, it will just write something for you because you tell it to write, right? It will just write some sales letter, it thinks it just make up story or whatever it is, right? So now you need to fill out the details accordingly, and then it will still do its job. But this will be a longer process in comparison to us feeding it with all of the context that it needs. So order bump copy, the same process, you do this. And then upsell copy. Okay, you see, okay, let me just do a live example. Okay, let me just go ahead and simply update something if I have. Do I have any? Okay, let's say this is a sales copy. This is some of my other stuff. I simply going to upload something. Write for me the order bump. It will then ask me what is the order bump's product details and so on, and then it will start to do the work. Okay, now going back to here, this is all done. The sales copy will be written as it is. Order bump, you let the software to write for you. And then the upsell copy. So how do you write an upsell copy? You continue the thread from your front end copy. So assuming that this sales letter has been written completely, it's done. So how do you write the upsell copy? You go to here, you copy the prompt here, copy the prompt, you go back to here, and then you paste here, you fill up the parameters accordingly, whatever the details that you need, the price and so on, and then it writes for you your upsell sales copy. Okay? Do you start to see what I'm doing here right now? That whatever that you do in the past are just information that you need for the next step. And then you just continue to stack it and stack it and stack it for you to build your entire sales funnel. But if you don't follow the flow, then at one stage, it will break. So this is how you write the sales page. So let's go back to the presentation slides here. Now you attach the upsell prompts result from stage 3 inside here as well. So you see, let me just say this again. This is where we write the sales copy. Done. Complete. So now we need to write the upsell sales copy. But if you proceed and just use the prompt here that I've given to you, the challenge is that AI doesn't have the full context of your upsell. So it will still write for you, but it's going to be still very tactical for that aspect. It cannot be precisely for your market, for your audience, because it doesn't have the context. So in order for you to have the context, right, you need to add the prompt result for the AI prompt for upsell, which is from stage 3. That's it. And that is how you write all of your sales copies. All right.